New mothers are told breast is best for their baby's health. But breastfeeding rates remain very low in some parts of the UK, with babies in well-off areas 4 times more likely to have breast milk. Researchers think that offering shopping vouchers could perhaps hold the key to persuading women to breastfeed. This early stage of a 4-year study begins today. It will involve up to 130 new mothers in parts of Derbyshire and Sheffield. If they breastfeed for 6 months, they'll get shopping vouchers worth £200, given in 5 stages. The mothers and their midwife or health visitor sign forms to declare their breastfeeding, with the project relying on honest conversations.
What we're exploring in this part of the study is it possible to offer vouchers to mums to breastfeed in these areas with low breastfeeding rates? And we also want to find out, if we do offer these vouchers, how are the vouchers perceived? Are they perceived as bribery or coercion, or are they perceived as reward or incentive or encouragement?
But the Royal College of Midwives says breastfeeding has to be something a mother wants to do for the well-being of her child, and financial motivation shouldn't come into it. Other experts say this research shouldn't be condemned, while the findings are yet to emerge. Jane Draper, BBC News.